Hello primary threes. Kumusta? So this week we will be learning a new way to add numbers. Well, actually this is not a new way since you've probably learned it already. So this method can be very useful if you are adding several numbers or big numbers. Okay, let's take a look at the screen. So we have here 325 plus 643. How are we going to work this one out? So do you know any method that can make this addition easier? Okay, so last week, since you've learned about partitioning 3-digit numbers, we are going to apply that to solve this addition. Partitioning big numbers before adding them is a good idea because it makes it easy to keep track of what we are doing. And also, there is less chance of making a mistake. Okay, so the method we are learning today involves writing numbers in columns and adding the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. And after adding them by place value, we will be adding them together to get the final answer. Okay, let's partition this one. How do we partition this 325 and 643? So, just like what you've learned last week, we are going to put this 300, okay, and then 20 onto this side. So let's make sure we always leave a space between each place value. And then 5 here. And then I wrote this addition or plus sign a little bit farther away from our numbers. Next one would be 600. And then 40. And then 3. And then the equal sign. Okay, so always remember to start with the smallest numbers and work up to the biggest numbers. Smallest going to the biggest. So it's the same thing as working out from your right to left. Where is our sign? There you go. Okay, let's start adding these numbers in the ones place. So this is hundreds, this is tens, and this is ones. So we are going to be starting here. So 5 and 3 is 8. So is it okay to write 8 under this number, under 40? No. Yeah, because 40 is in tens column. And 8 is in ones, so we're erasing it and we're gonna write 8 here. Okay, next one we are going to write 20 plus 40. So we are adding the tens place now. Again, since we are solving the numbers in the tens place or in the tens column, we must write the answer in the tens column. So 20 and 40 is 60. And same goes in the hundreds column. So 300 and 600 is 900. Now let's take a look at the answers here. 900, this is 60, this is 8. Right? So, do you think this is our final answer? Okay, so these numbers here at the bottom, or these answers here at the bottom, it is called, or they are called, the place value no work addition. Okay, what does it mean when we say no work addition? Okay, it means we don't have to work much because we are just going to eliminate or take out the zeros, and we only have to put these whole numbers together, making it 968. Okay, alright. So if you have a calculator near you, you can go ahead and check if you have the same answer. So 325 plus 643 equals 968. Okay, now let's see who listened carefully just now. For the second addition, I want you to take a look at this one. Okay, expanded method. So we have 263 plus 574. So from partitioning method, say expanded, start. Okay, so from this method, we are going to, first step, we are going to partition it. Okay, writing, instead of 263, it becomes 263. Now let's go back. Okay, 570 and then 4. Okay, from partitioning the addends to getting the final answer, we are going to, by the way guys, addends here are the numbers that we are adding together. Okay, let's take a look. Let's watch how it goes. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. 60 and 70 is 130. If you can notice here, the colors. So this one is already equivalent to 100. Okay, so 100 plus 700 equals 800. Okay, now let's take a look at the normal addition, but showing you how to do it using the place value. Okay, there you go. So this side, you've already seen it, and this side, please take a look. It's the same thing, it's just that this one makes it clearer for those who are struggling. Okay, now let's go to our next page and let's revise what we have done so far. Okay, so first one, how to solve our addition here. Okay, so you're going to expand your numbers according to the place value. Next one, you are going to add ones place. This one here, add ones. And then number 3, you're going to add tens place. Okay, so let's like 20 plus 40 is equal to 60. Okay, step number 4, we're gonna add the hundreds place. Alright, so after adding these ones, tens and hundreds, what do you think will be step 5? Okay, our step 5 would be adding all of these answers at the bottom of our partitioned addends. So add all to get the final answer. Okay, so add all answers for your final answer. Now let's go to the next page. Okay, so again, let me remind you about which ones are addends. Addends are the numbers that we add together. So in this case, you have the 265 and 427. Right, addends. Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and see you tomorrow.